If your Instagram highlights are suddenly missing or not showing up on your profile, then you don't have to worry about it. Instagram has been rolling out a new update that's changing how highlights appear. In today's video, I'll explain what's actually happening and show you step-by-step process on how you can fix it. Well, the Instagram is in the process to change the layout of highlights. It is not actually removing the highlight itself. But if you find the highlights missing, then what you need to do is move into the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for the application Instagram. And then simply move into this app. Make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once you're using the updated version, the next thing you want to do is move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Over here, you have to check for the new layout. If the highlight is not visible to you, then look for the highlight option in this feed. If it is available to you, then click on it and you'll be able to view all of your highlights. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is to clear the cache and the storage of the application. In order to do so, move into the settings of a device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Instagram and then click on it. Now, you need to click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will be clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It should also bring back the highlights that has been missing. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.